Solving a system of equation by graphing. Again, we're looking for a point of intersection. These two equations are in slope-intercept form, so it's really easy for me to graph these. That first one, y equals negative 1/2 x minus y. My y-intercept is negative 1, and my slope is negative 1/2. So from this point, I'm going to go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, and I'm going to continue the pattern in the opposite direction. Up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2, and from there, I'm going to draw a straight line through those points. The next equation, my y-intercept is negative 4, and my slope is a positive 1/4, up 1 to the right 4. Or I can go down 1 to the left 4. And again, I'm going to draw a line through those points. Now I'm going to label my point of intersection. This is my point of intersection, and it's the point 4, negative 3. The solution to this system of equation is 4, negative 3. Now let's take a look at a second problem. In this problem, there's multiple ways we can actually graph this. So I'm going to show you two different ways. The first way, we're going to take this bottom equation and let's put this into slope-intercept form. I'm going to subtract 3x to the other side because my goal is to solve for y. That will cancel, and I have 2y equals negative 3x plus 4. These are not like terms, so I cannot add them together. All I can do is write them side by side. Let's divide everything by 2 to isolate y, and y equals negative 3/2 x plus 2. So let's graph this line. My y-intercept is at 2, and my slope is negative 3 halves. So down 3, right 2, down 3, right 2, down 3, right 2. We'll go the opposite direction. Up 3, left 2, and now I'm going to draw a line through those points. The top equation. We've also talked about x and y intercepts to graph. So I'm going to show you another method that we've done before, and you use the method that you like. Remember, in math, there's lots of different ways to come up with the same conclusion. So let's find an x-intercept. To find an x-intercept, we plug in a 0 for y. So x plus 2, 0 for y, equals negative 4. Those cancel, and x equals negative 4. So at the point negative 4, 0, we're going to draw a dot. Then we're going to find a y-intercept. To find a y-intercept, we plug in a 0 for the opposite letter. When I plug in a 0 for x and solve for y, I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and y equals negative 2. My y-intercept is negative 2. Now, if you have a ruler, you could draw through and probably come up with a point of intersection. But sometimes it's good to talk about a slope here. So to get from that first point to the second, I go down 2, and I go to the right 4. So my slope is rise over run, and when I reduce that to negative 1/2. So really from this point right here, I can go down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2, down 1, right 2. And now I have a point of intersection. So now I'm going to draw a line through those points and determine what my point of intersection is. These two lines intersect at this point, and that point is 4, negative 4. So the solution to this system of equations is 4, negative 4. Graphing is a good way to prove systems of equations after you do them algebraically as well.